Welcome. In front of me I have Alcatel U5 HD, and today I will show you how easy you can clean your micro USB port in this device. But at the first I'm going to zoom in with the camera to get you better view of this port. As you can see, it looks like that, right? So we can spot here some kind of the mess. I don't know even what is inside, but we are going to remove it. So we have to use something like that. It's very thin object. You can also use any other household items, right? It have to be just thin. So we have to put it inside like that, and then we have to make gently gestures. Remember to don't break your port. Okay, as you can see, it comes out of this. So as you can see, it's dust. Whoa, there's a lot of dust here. Let's take a look closer if there's something inside. Remember to do it slowly and don't break anything inside. Okay, I think that's all. So as you can see, we find this dust. So as you can see, it was very easy. And yeah, right now we are able to put the cable to our micro USB port, and actually that's how we can clean and fix your micro USB port in your Alcatel U5 HD. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!